Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my weekly videos. So, today we're going to be reading The Flood in the Earth again. And we are on chapter 11. Noah is patient that people do not listen. For many years, Noah traveled about the land and preached the message of God. Peace be upon Noah for the might of his patience, because he put up so long with the people who mocked him. Peace be upon Noah for the might of his heart, because he cared for his people even when they laughed in his face. Peace be upon Noah for the might of his soul, because he trust in God was perfect. Peace be upon Noah who peaced by day and by night. Peace be upon Noah who called to his people in private and in public, singly and in gatherings. Peace be upon Noah for the truth of his message from God. As for the people of Noah also, when Noah said to them, serve God and fear him and follow him, and God will forgive you your sins, and he will let you be until a certain date. And when the date God has set comes, it cannot be changed. Oh, if you only knew that people put their fingers in their ears and refuse to listen. Also for the people of Noah, when Noah said to them, ask forgiveness for your Lord, surely he is always all forgiving. And he will open up the sakes of you with panel of rain. He will help you do well and grant you children and gardens and rivers. The people did not pray to be forgiven. Instead, they throw their cloaks around themselves and cover themselves up in their own pride. Also of the people of Noah, when Noah said to them, what is it with you? Don't you see the glory of God? He created you little by little, stage by stage. Don't you see how God made that many heavens, one beyond the other, and set the moon there are a light in the night time, and sun as a lamp in the daytime? Don't you see how God created you out of his earth? Then he will return you into it and again bring you out. Don't you see where God has spread the earth for you like a carpet and made values in it ravens, so you can know your way? The people rebelled against the truth, even though it was present before their eyes and ears and minds. Instead, they turned to those who were rich in the land and listened to them. As for those who were rich in the land, they weren't wrong themselves and dragged others down with them. They said, do not turn away from your gods. Sword, Yaguth, Yaku, and Nasher. Alas for them, because they prayed to those gods which do not exist. For many years NUH struggled against the idols worship, but only his family, or most of them, believers, and a few, very few others. NUH was full of sadness for his people. He prayed to God, "Oh my Lord, help me, because my people mock me at me and call me message lies." God said to him, "NUH, none of your people will believe except those who have already believed. So do not be upset on account of what they are doing." Assalamualaikum everyone.